What's up everybody? Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be installing 3rd Millennium M800 door speakers into my 1995 Mazda Miata. So this is just about as easy as it possibly gets. Everything's plug and play. Let's get right to it. If you're new to my channel, Drive It Ryan, check out some of my other videos after this video. I have a whole build series on the Miata, build series on the M3, and just a bunch of track reviews, car reviews, product reviews. Anything car related is what my channel is all about. So if you're into that kind of thing, subscribe and yeah, check it out. So in my last Miata, I had Clearwater door speakers, and I have absolutely zero complaints with those speakers. They sounded great. They were also plug and play. But with this Miata, I figured I'd try something different, and I did some research on the forums. Not that the forums are that active these days, but I did a little research on the forums and I found this company called 3rd Millennium. They make speakers specifically designed to work with the Miata door. So I'm no acoustic engineer, but these guys are, so I trust that they know what they're doing. And from the reviews that I've read so far, everyone seems to love them. So these M800s, like I said, they already come connected with the pigtail, so plug it right into the factory harness. It's the same 3 screws, same exact deal as the stock ones. These are the stock ones. You could already see the M800s are deeper and overall just way better. Like I said, I'm not an acoustic engineer, so I can't go into too many details about these, but I can show you how to install them, and I'll give you a review after they're installed and after I get my new Kenwood head unit in, because the stock head unit isn't going to power these the way it should. For the NA Miata, the doors aren't that weatherproofed, so the stock speakers from the factory come with a little plastic rain guard here. You can see it's like a half moon type deal. But 3rd Millennium offers these XTC foam baffles, which are, I don't know, they weren't much more than $10 extra. This is their solution to keep the rain out, and all you have to do is cut it right in half, and I'll show you how to do that. And that's basically it. That's the only, modification that you have to do. So let's get our razor blade. Wow, I already took the cap off. It almost slipped myself. We'll take the razor blade, we'll cut these up, and then we'll install the new speakers. So really, you just want to do the top half straight across, and then you want it to be flush around here. Take a razor blade, nice sharp razor blade. Try and do as clean of a cut as possible. So let's see, I'll try and do it just like this one. Ecstasy. We'll go right through the ecstasy. So you could always, trim off more, but you can't trim off less. So don't go too crazy the first time around. Go straight across. I'll probably screw this up since I'm filming this one. That's usually how it goes. Straight across, straight down, both sides. I'll just cut a little off here. So that's pretty good. Nice and flush. I'll clean it up a little right here. Then we can put them right in the doors. So don't hate me too much. I already have the door cards uninstalled because I was doing cleaning out the windows, having the door cards reupholstered, all that stuff. So I'm at the point where we could take the stock speaker out. It's literally just 3 Phillips head screws. On some Miatas, you don't need to take the door card off. You could just take, there's a separate piece to the speaker, I think on the earlier models. But this is a 1995, so let's just take these 3 screws out. All right, so this should be ready to pop out. Okay, behind the speaker, you'll see factory clip, hopefully, if your Miata has never been messed with before. So it's just a little clip here. Get a little flat head, or if you're lucky, just squeeze it and it'll come out. Okay, to install these, it's literally plug the harness in and screw your 3 screws in. Third Millennium gives you brand new stainless steel screws. I'm just gonna use the OEM ones. Just keep everything as OEM as possible. So, and plug it in. Alright, it's in. It's okay if you have a little overlap on this. You can trim it if you want. Get one started. Solid. That's it. So just do the same thing to the other side. Reinstall your door cards and that's it. Have a good time. So in a video coming up, I'm gonna put a new Kenwood receiver in and refresh the dash a little bit. Just keep on doing a few more updates and bring this car back to life. So that's it. Thank you all for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
And really, man, the focus is just leveling up. Cause I know the life I want, I'm just setting it up. Removing those that's close who try messing it up. Can't wait for champagne toast with the relevant bunch. Like, what's up? Yeah, like what you do, homie? What's your vision? How you thinking? How you move, homie?